The future of pharmacy is changing. But what role will AI play? Pharmacists have long been the trusted healthcare professionals, ensuring safe and effective medication use. They counsel patients, check prescriptions, and manage complex drug therapies. But today, artificial intelligence, or AI, is entering pharmacies worldwide, promising to transform the way medicines are managed.
Okay, let's check for any potential interactions between these medications for Mr. Smith.
An AI Pharmacist Assistant is an intelligent system designed to support pharmacists by reviewing prescriptions for errors, checking drug interactions, managing inventory, and even interacting with patients to answer common questions. These assistants use vast amounts of data and advanced algorithms to help streamline pharmacy operations. Powered by technologies like natural language processing, AI can understand the language of doctors' prescriptions and patient queries. Machine learning enables these systems to improve their recommendations over time by analyzing real-world data. Integrated with electronic health records and pharmacy management software, AI becomes a powerful tool to aid clinical decisions. So, will AI replace pharmacists? While AI excels at repetitive and data-heavy tasks, it lacks the human qualities that pharmacists bring: clinical judgment, empathy, and personalized care. Pharmacists interpret complex patient needs, consider subtle factors, and build trusting relationships, things AI cannot fully replicate. By automating routine tasks, AI reduces the risk of medication errors and speeds up prescription processing. It can provide 24/7 support for patients through chatbots and reminders, improving medication adherence and health outcomes.
Hello, how can I help you with your medication today?
I'm not sure when to take my new pills.
Most importantly, AI frees pharmacists to focus on patient counseling and clinical roles that require a human touch. However, AI is not without challenges. Its effectiveness depends on the quality of data and programming. And it cannot understand emotions or ethical nuances. Privacy and security of patient data remain critical concerns as AI systems access sensitive health information. Careful oversight and regulation are essential to ensure AI supports safe and ethical pharmacy practice. The future of pharmacy is not a competition between humans and machines, but a partnership. Pharmacists who embrace AI tools will enhance their capabilities, improve patient care, and lead the next generation of healthcare. Will artificial intelligence take over pharmacy jobs? No, but those who learn to work alongside AI will shape the future of medicine. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for being with us. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge medical knowledge and pharmacy innovations, only on Drugs Decode.